Hey guys, my name is Jaime McLaughlin and I'm going to show you how to extend your blowout through multiple workouts. First step is you want to definitely use dry shampoo, but the trick here is you want to use dry shampoo in the evenings before you go to bed and before your workout. What this is going to do is it's going to soak up all of those extra oils that are released from your scalp into your hair. And as you're applying it, you want to make sure that you're applying it layer by layer. So you are going to just layer your hair, put a couple sprays in, and you're just gonna go layer by layer around your entire head. Once you've put the dry shampoo in all of your hair, what you're gonna do is you're actually going to massage it into your scalp, just like you massage normal shampoo in your hair in the shower. So you wanna make sure that your hair and those oils have fully soaked up that dry shampoo. So again, you wanna make sure you're putting it at night before you go to bed and then before your workout. Now, during your workout, a couple tips and tricks for you guys is you want to make sure that you are using some kind of scrunchie rather than a hair tie like this, because this hair tie is going to create marks in your hair, which is obviously going to make you have to redo your hair, which we don't want to do. We want it to look nice and cute before, after, during the workout, whatever. So make sure you're not using a scrunchie like this, and you can just pop your hair nice and low if you're doing a low impact workout, or pop it on top of your head if you're doing a high impact workout, any kind of running. And then once you take it out, you shouldn't really have too many lines in your hair after. Now, what about when your hair gets super sweaty after your workout? What you want to do is you want to take your hair out, you want to let it air dry, or if you don't have time to let it air dry, you just want to take some kind of blow dryer, blow dry and hit those roots and get all of that sweat nice and dry. And then once your hair is totally dry, you can pop some more dry shampoo in there, massage it, touch up those curls, and it should only take you just a couple minutes to refresh that blowout, refresh that style, and you'll be on your way back to work, back to those meetings, back to picking up those kids, whatever you're doing. We don't want to spend a ton of time doing our hair. For me personally, I like to only wash my hair twice a week. So I wash it, I blow dry it, and then I just touch up and keep it up the rest of the week, which just makes it so much easier for me to pay more attention to other things, fun stuff, work stuff with the kids. So hopefully these tips were super helpful for you to extend your blowout through any kind of workout. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day.